Hey, to personalize your touch controls in the Jabra Elite 8 Active, all you have to do is just open the Jabra Sound Plus application and then click on the settings icon in the right upper corner. Now from this, you have to go to this option, personalize your headset, then go to my controls, and you can do this for the music and the media controls, incoming calls controls, and active calls. Let's say that I want to customize controls for incoming calls. So I have to click here. And now as you can see on the single press, I can answer the call, but I would like to get rid of it. And I want to only reject call with the double press. And on the triple press, I would like to adjust the signed tone. This is actually for the right one. On the left one, I would like to answer the call, but I don't want to reject call with the double press. And on the triple press, I would like to get access to mute or unmute microphone function. There we go. And you can do the same for the music and the media and for active calls. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.